Hello, and welcome back to the challenge that I'm doing. So, welcome to the 40-second puppet challenge. So today, I have those two villain Taiwan puppets that I'm gonna do for the 40-second challenge. Are you ready for this? Yeah. Happy Villain Day, everyone. Oh yeah. We're gonna have an evil time tonight. And this is like so evil. The two-faced Jackal and the evil mask. Yeah. So tonight is the night that we are going to do the villain Taiwan puppets for the 40-second challenge. And we are going to do it right now, so we'll begin. So, 1, 2, 3, action. Why, hello. I am the two-faced Jackal, Wang Xing, and I am Shen, the most powerful villain, and there's nothing you cannot do anything about it. And I am going to teach you a lesson with these kind of weapons. These are the weapons that we are going to we're gonna use to teach you a lesson. And yeah, and we are going to have some fun, shall we? Yeah. Then I am going to use this weapon to destroy all of you. Yeah, and that too. So tonight, we are the villains that is going to destroy all of you. Yes. Yes, we are so evil. And tonight, we are going to teach those YouTubers a lesson. Tonight is the night that I am going to slice all of you in half and kill you. Yes. Yeah. Evil. We are so evil. And we are the most villains of all time in China. Yes. And my name is Two-Faced Jackal, Wang Xing, and I'm Shen. Yes. Thumbs up. Yeah. So, we are using this kind of weapon. Watch this. That we are going to fight for, and we're gonna slice you in half and kill you with this. Kill all of you. And we're gonna have some fun tonight. And this is our freedom. Yes. So, anyway, we will meet again, and we can fight for a battle the next time. You YouTubers have a great night, and we'll see you again soon. Well, that was it for the 40-second puppet challenge. So, coming up next is going to be the 43rd puppet challenge real soon. Alright, well, you all have a great night, and we'll see each other again soon. So, have a good night, YouTubers, and I'll see you whenever. Peace out. We will meet again. We'll come back, and we'll be back. Yes, just turn it off, will you? You fool. Because I need to, like, use some more weapons. So just turn it off, will you? Turn it off!